A cluttered wardrobe can make it difficult to find what you're looking for to get dressed, and you may need to find additional space to store all of your personal belongings. A new wardrobe organization package will not only provide more space, but it will make accessing what you have infinitely easier. The first step is to remove all of your existing wardrobe and set it aside while you remove the existing closet guts, typically consisting of a shelf, pole, and perhaps additional shelving. Once you've done that, then you can lay out the new wardrobe package based on the dimensions that will most fit in your existing closet configuration. A wardrobe organization package consists of shelf and pole, drawers, shelving, double shelving, and a variety of other configurations that you can utilize to improve the capacity and the efficiency of your wardrobe. It doesn't quite come together that fast, but it really is easy because all of the existing materials are pre-cut and contain all of the fasteners, screws, clips, and accessories needed to fully assemble the wardrobe organization package. We utilized an iPad to access the directions in real time to make assembly a breeze. All you need is a few tools, a driver drill, a couple of screwdrivers, a hammer, and an assortment of other small hand tools that will make assembly a breeze. Drawer assembly is really simple. The drawer assembly consists of the drawer sides, the drawer front, the drawer back, the drawer bottom, the drawer face, and the drawer pull. All of the fasteners necessary to assemble the drawer are supplied. The Easy Glide full extension drawer glides make for a wonderful system. What a difference the newly installed system makes. It's neat, clean, and the accessible space is infinitely greater than what previously existed.